Good day, students. I'm happy to provide you with some more guidance with respect to your lesson plan that you will submit for grading. And so let's just step back a little bit to last week where we looked at ADDIE model, and then we said it informs our lesson plans. And so I gave you my lesson plan because I was teaching symbolism and central metaphor in a particular play. And so the first aspect of the lesson plan I gave you, and I said objectives. And so I have them here. All the objectives clearly delineated. The next slide gives you the subject matter. And so I'm probably saying to you is that you take an example from this to give me the one you're preparing. Here I have procedures that are going to inform the lesson. And then 4, it's your evaluation. What are we going to do to evaluate? And you also do some self-evaluation. How well did you deliver your lesson? You write it down. And then number 5, there's going to be an assignment. And maybe it's having learners produce a paragraph or several paragraphs analyzing how one of the symbols work in the play. And so, once you give an assignment, you're required to provide a rubric. How are you going to grade students? And so your rubric can be patterned after Bloom's taxonomy, where students are given marks for the different levels they demonstrate. If they're just at a level of remembering and pointing out where in the play you could find the shawl and all of that, maybe they will get 2 marks out of a possible 5. The range takes you from the bottom to the top, lower order skills, higher order skills. So here, 2 marks, 3, 4, 5, as you go up. At the top of there is the highest, creating. And the thing is, once you're demonstrating here, it means that you've covered all of these. But if you're only here, it means that you haven't done these as yet. And so there's a fair way of allocating marks to students. And so we take this kind of understanding from Bloom's taxonomy and we place it in a rubric. And so here I have a rubric that's going to help you. Let's see if it's going to open up. Maybe it wouldn't. It says end of the slideshow.